Today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's a beautiful stitch, as you can see, and it's not difficult to make. All you have to know is the treble, the double treble or double crochet, how you call it in UK. Only those. It's beautiful, as you can see. Hope that you find this video useful and that you try it. We start by making the chains. Chains we have to make multiples of 12 plus 3. So chains multiples of 12 plus 3. We start the first row, we make a chain. We go here in the first chain here and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now in the next chains we have to make 11 trebles or double crochet. Trebles in English, double crochet in American. We have to make 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Those are the first 11. Now we make 2 chains, 1 and 2. We skip the next chain here and we make another 11 trebles or double crochet, how you call it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And you repeat the same we did before. Now we make 2 chains, 1 and 2. We skip 1 chain here and we make another 11. You continue all the row like that until you have to finish with 1 chain here. You have to have 1 chain here. And I'll show you how to finish. You continue the row making 11 trebles or double crochet, how you call it. You skip 1 chain and you make 2 chains to separate them. You continue all the row like that. The row is ready, as you can see. We arrived at the edge and we're going to finish with a single crochet. We finish the row with a single crochet. Now we start the next row with 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we go in the 6th treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the 6th one, and we're going to make 5 double treble. So we go in the 6th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to make 5 double trebles. Double treble, you turn the thread 2 times on the hook. 1 and 2, you turn it and you slip 2 times at a time. Those are 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the 5 double trebles we made. Now we're going to work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put the hook here between the 5 and the 6 and we're going to make 6 trebles. We're going to work in here between the 5th treble and the 6th treble. So you turn the thread on the hook. You go here between the 5th and the 6th. You pull the hook over there and you pull up a stitch like this, and you make a treble. That is 1. We have to make 6. 1, always in the same place. You pull the thread like this so you can work better. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So those are 6, as you can see. We made these 5 and we made 6. Now we make 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go here where we have the chains, and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, and that is the first one that we made. Now we're going to do the same. We arrived here, we go to the 6th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to make in the 6th one 5 double trebles. First here, after the single crochet here, we have to make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now, as I told you, we go in the 6th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to make 5 double trebles, like we did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are 5. Now, like we did before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to work between the 5th and the 6th. We're going to put the hook here between the 5th and the 6th, and we're going to make 6 trebles or double crochet, how you call it. You pull the thread like this. That is 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And those are the other 6. And you continue like that. Then you make 2 chains. You go here, you do a single crochet or double crochet, another 2 chains, and you do the same like we did here and like we did here. You continue the row like that. As you can see, the row is ready here. And we're going to finish with a double treble. We turn the thread 2 times, we go here where we started, and we finish with a double treble. That is the row ready. Now we start the next row with a chain. We turn the work around, and here where we made the double treble, we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. We make another chain. Now we're going to work on these one by one. We're going to work one by one on these, and we're going to make a double treble. We turn the thread 2 times on the hook. We go from here to here in the first one, and we make a double treble. that is 1. We go on the second one, always making the hook from here to here. That is the second one. We go to the third one. We make another double treble. Fourth one, we go from here to here. We go to the fifth one here. And the sixth one. Those are the first 6. Now we have to work on the other 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On these 5, and we're going to do the same. We go from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is what we have to do in this row. Now we make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to repeat on these the next set we have here. We go from here to here. We do the first one, the first double treble, the second one, the third one, and you continue all the row like that. Then I show you how to finish. When you arrive here, you make 3 chains, separate them with 3 chains, and you do the same like we did here. You have to make a double treble like this. You put the hook from here in each one of them to there, in each one that you have, and you make a double treble, and you continue all the row like that. The row is ready. As you can see, we arrived at the edge. We go in the 5th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we finish with a single crochet or double crochet. And that is the pattern. You have to repeat, always to repeat this row and this row. I'm going to show you again. We start with 7 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to repeat this row here. We go in the 6th treble, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6th one, and we're going to make 5 double trebles. 1, exactly like we did before. 2, 3, 4. Those are 3. 4 and 5. Now we're going to work between the 5th and the 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to work here, and we're going to make 6 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, exactly like we did here before. 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go here in the middle and we make a single crochet, another 2 chains, and you continue like we did here. You go in the 6th one, you make 5 double trebles, then you make 6 trebles over here between the 5th and the 6th. You continue all the row like that. Then the row after, you have to repeat this row here. We did here before. Always repeat these 2 rows. You have to repeat always those 2 rows. As you can see, that row is ready too. Now we're going to repeat that other row. We start with a chain. We go here and we do in the first one a single crochet, another chain. Now we're going to repeat like we did before. We go double treble, we go from here to here, and we're going to do a double treble in every treble that we have. You're going to repeat that row, the second row that I showed you. These are the 2 rows that you have to learn. You repeat doing a double treble always in all the trebles that you have, putting the hook like this. You make a double treble in all of these, and here you make 3 chains to separate them, and then you continue here. You continue repeating those 2 rows that I showed you. Those are the 2 rows that you have to learn. You continue repeating them. Then I show you how the pattern comes. And this is the final result, how the stitch come. As I told you, all you have to do is repeat always these 2 rows here. Always repeat them. And you won't find difficulty how to make it. It's not difficult, as you have seen, to make it. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.